vlog, I will analyze the movie Dead Poet Society using both poetry and psychology. I will focus on the character of Neil Perry and explain how his story shows the connection between the poetic tradition and romanticism. And Eric Erickson's psychological theory called identity versus role confusion. So, romanticism is a poetic tradition that focuses on emotions, imagination, passion, and freedom. People should follow their heart and express their true self instead of only following rules or society's expectation. In the movie, Mr. Keating encouraged the student to think for themselves and to live meaningful lives. One of the important message is carpe diem, which means seize the day. It shows that romanticism because it tells us that life is short, that we should follow our dreams, make our lives meaningful, and do whatever we want. Neil Perry represents both romanticism and identity crisis. Neil discovered that he loves acting because it allows him to express himself and feel confident, and for the first time in his life, he follows what he really wants. Acting makes him feel happy and complete. His passion shows romanticism because because he wants to follow what gives meaning to his life, and that's acting. However, Neil's father is very strict and wants him to become a doctor, but Neil doesn't want that. His father do not allow him to choose what he really wants. Be- because of this, Neil feels pressure and trapped because he can't disobey his father. He struggles between following his dream and obeying his father. Oh, and one important scene is when Neil perform in a play, A Midsummer Night Dreams. In that moment, we can see that he feels proud and confident because he is finally expressing his true self. This follows romanticism because he follows his passion and emotion. Another important scene is when his father tells him to stop acting. That moment, it pressures Neil. Instead of feeling supported, he feels control, which affects him so much to the point that it affects his mental and emotional state that leads him to ending his life.